Right guys, so here's how I made 1.4R in under an hour. Right guys, so big screen, right, this is Euro USD, it's not gone as big screen as I wanted. On the top left we've got the daily, so as you can see, this is the daily swing low, swing high, and we're looking for an overall sell. We're looking for, well, it actually started to sell off yesterday. So that's the daily. I like to have everything kind of in. This is the hourly. And obviously I've marked out the daily structure, the hourly structure. The orange lines you're seeing before you is the 15-minute trend. So this is the 15-minute. We'll drop on the 15-minute so it doesn't look too confusing. So yeah, I made 1.4R in under an hour this morning. As soon as I got on the chart, basically, it was, what was it, about 6:45. So near enough straight the way actually I got in. So this is the 15-minute. So you've got a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This lower high got broke. So then we were waiting for a pullback. Yes, we're looking for buys initially, hence why I've got a buy position on now. But we knew that once we'd broke this 15-minute high, we knew that there'd be a pullback. So it wasn't going to be a massive trade. And my target was only to the 50% pretty much. So if we drop down to the 1 minute, it'll all become clear now. We'll make this a real quick video, just so you guys aren't falling asleep, because I've got a horrible voice. Right, so basically guys, we'll get that off screen for a second. Hopefully it's clear as well, because yeah, right. So yeah, we were making higher highs, higher lows on the 1 minute trend. As you can see, these green dotted lines represent the breaks of structure. So we've got one there, one here, and we kept going up there. There's one there that for some reason isn't shown. There it is. Yeah. So then we looked, and this was the break. So when I came on the computer, this had already broke this low. So straight away I was interested for sells. We then reacted from this extreme 1 minute demand, supply zone up here. So that is the extreme that actually broke this area, this low here, that broke that low. We didn't just break it a little bit, we shot off, which tells me there's a lot of selling pressure in. And it didn't actually tap anywhere near the 50% or below. So I knew that kind of there would be more of a sell-off coming. So, well, I was expecting. I didn't know, you don't know anything, but you expect. So as soon as we tapped into that, we then broke some minor structure. This is this green line here. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. So that green line then got broke again. So then, simple enough guys, we moved our extreme area, which extreme supply, which was this candle there, that actually broke the minor structure, which had come off of the bigger break. We then put our entry on. I've gone a bit more reserved with my stop loss lately, just because I've had a few losing days, so I want to kind of be a bit reserved. We drop it in. I then set 2 alerts. So I set an alert up here where my TP, sorry, not my TP, my SL was 10 pips. I set an alert saying SL, so if it hit, I knew. And I'm trying not to look at it because I'm a bugger for watching my trades, and then your head does all this mixed bias. 1 minute you're buying, 1 minute you're selling, all that crap. So I thought, well, I'll set alerts. I jumped on the Xbox, which is obviously on my PC. So I moved this off the screen completely, and I just played my game until my trading view alert popped up. And it, luckily enough, it popped up as TP. So I only had a small risk as well. And then this one was my TP, and it's yeah, so I believe it was when it lets me do it. No, it's not going to let me do it. Well, yeah. So just under an hour, guys, it was. And that's pretty much it. And my target was the 50% of the new swing, of the new 15-minute swing. So this orange line now needs to go from there to there. I don't know why it's not working. Come on, work. Right, that'll be a solid and it'll be an orange line. So that is the new swing. And obviously we've then sold off, which is another 15-minute. This is a 15-minute correction. And now, hence why I'm in buys now. For the my target is, when you zoom out, is the overall 1 hour 50%. So it might shoot higher. I might end up trailing it. I'm not fully sure yet. I'm going to see how, if it shoots up, I'm gonna trail it with aggression. But yeah, so obviously, guys, you're more than welcome to kind of check on my Instagram to see if this if this hits TP or SL. My target is 2.5 R, nothing major, bit lower than I'm normally going for, but I've got to be a bit reserved after a couple of days of losses. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Nice quick video. Hopefully you can take something away from this, and obviously like and subscribe. I like making videos, and the more subscribers and likes and all that crap that I get, I want to do it more and more and get this information across to you guys and hopefully help your trading journey. So that's it for me, and I will catch you on the next video.